Hello everyone, it's Susan with Organizing with Susan. And today I thought I would do a plan with me in my wellness planner. This particular planner has kind of been Franken-planned, and for those of you who are not familiar with Franken-planning, it's basically where you take different parts of different planners and kind of put them together. This is a student planner that I kind of meshed with the Wellness Extension Pack from Happy Planner. And then I had some lavender discs from another student planner that I put on it. So was really happy with the way that it turned out. I've used it this year. And for 2019, I will be moving into the Healthy Hero. But I thought I would just kind of show you how I've been, what I think is pretty successful at it in this planner this year. Kind of just got my little, this was since the extension pack is undated, I've got the little dated stickers there. Got my name, so we will flip to this week. And what I typically do is I have a mood tracker. This came from Any Plans Printables on Etsy, and I just move it from week to week, tracking my mood. And this bookmark came with the student planner. And here is the Wellness Extension Pack. I started a wellness journey about a year ago, changed my lifestyle, and it's just been very successful. So I'm definitely eager to continue it within 2019 in the new planner. But, well, let's go ahead and get started. Take these pages out. Get that out of the way. For this plan with me, I will be using the Happy Planner Fitness sticker book. And then I've got the sticker rolls of my steps and my scales, the weight. It is also my birthday week, so I am probably going to try to incorporate my birthday in there as well with some stickers. And then I'll be using this washi from the Happy Planner. One of the reasons I was interested in the Healthy Hero, not only just for the format that it's going to have next year, but I just like the variety of colors each month and each week that it offers. Whereas in the Wellness Extension Pack, you were kind of stuck to a particular color scheme for the whole month. I will also be using the Happy Planner washi sticker book, as well as this is Agenda 52, the Paper Studio sticker book from Hobby Lobby. decided to change my color. So I have to sacrifice a couple stickers here. Just did not like that pink with it. So we'll go with black. I didn't like the pink, and I did not have enough of the meal plan in that color. Okay, I think I'm done. I could keep adding and adding, but I like the way that it turned out. So let me plug it in to my planner. Yeah, I like it against the purple discs. It's pretty. There we go. So there's next week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider liking and subscribing. I'd appreciate it. Thanks so much.